Wrangler navy blue suitcase, and navy blue is my favorite color, so that just went perfect for me. So here is the two pieces carry on, the pop out cup holder as well as the USB. Lovely, lovely, lovely. You're able to sit a bottle, water bottle on there, coffee cup, but I just chose a water bottle for now. And let me show y'all what I packed in my tote so you can see how much it holds. I have my toiletries, first aid, cleaning stuff here, as well as more toiletries, small items, alcohol pads, all my toiletries. I have a pair of Hoka slides that I love so much in here. Also have my sponge, of course. I just didn't want to put it in my toiletry bag. My sunglasses are in here. I didn't put my soap in my toiletry bag, but anywho, what they gave me from the plane. I have my disposable bed sheets. I have 2 of them actually that fit in here. So all of this was able to fit in my tote. And I have a carry-on. Sometimes when I'm away on vacation, I like to carry a little backpack without carrying a pocketbook or anything. So that's all for the tote. So let me show you what was able to fit in my suitcase. At least 5 clothing. Oh, forgot to close this. I have 5 outfits in here as well as swimwear. So as you can see, this side is, I can't get the little thing out. So this side has a pair of sandals. And I just like this storage bag because it can condense your clothes. So this is what I use sometimes. Conceal a lot of stuff. So I have like swimwear in here, socks, underwear. I have a pair of sandals, my workout belt. And on this side, I have clothing, swimwear, outfits. One outfit, 2, 3. I just tucked my shirts inside there. I have a laundry bag in here that I put something in here because we got stuck at the airport. Anywho, that's a long story. Swimwear, towel, even got a towel in here. Washcloth. Another outfit. Again, I like to tuck my shirts inside my pants. And that's it, basically. So this suitcase actually fits a lot of items. So if you're interested in buying it, I say go for it.
Okay, this is really pretty. I got the teal colors, came just as the color stated it was. So this is really nice. I like it. I haven't used it yet, but this here goes up. This here is the open spout. So you have a cup holder. And down there is a charge station and a cup holder for your cup or your Stanley here. So this is really nice. You can lay it down on the side like that. It has a nice little handle here. Let's see. So it tells you it comes with a USB port, phone holder, cup holder, and a hanger. So let's see here. What else it got going on here? All right. So that comes with an additional little tote bag. And this is sealed. Okay, let's see. I was trying to take that loose, but then I'll lose this here part. Oh, wow. Look at that there. So I can put stuff on the inside of this. Okay. Oh, that's the battery pack for the charger. Okay. But I think it's still cute how it has it like sealed up. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is nice. Put little stuff in there. Okay. Come over here. My little compartment here comes with instructions telling you how to use the 4-in-1 feature. And put your clothes in here. You can zip it down. So the reason why I purchased this is because we were at the airport and I had a backpack. And when I tell you I got tired of toting that backpack, honey, I got tired of toting that backpack. So now let's see what this is. This looks like another compartment or something. You're about to see. Okay, so now I see. This here is just for extra space. So you can unzip it to have extra space. That's it. That's what that is. But it's cute. And I like it.
This is the Wrangler 2-piece set. It has the 3-in-1, which is a US port, phone holder, cup holder. As you can see, it seems to have good maneuverability. Has the cup holder. Here's the charging port, the USB port. I have a battery pack on the inside. It does not come with the battery pack. You place the battery pack on the inside. There's a zipper. And here's the USB port. The phone and the cup cannot be in here at the same time, obviously, but the phone will sit here as it's charging. When not in use, you just close it. It comes with this bag as well. You can see it. Try to get an idea. It is pocket on the inside. Pocket on the outside, rather. It comes with straps you can hold like this, or a long strap with the handle. It has a hole that can sit on the handle. It expands as well. This. I put clothes inside, didn't really pack. It comes with, I thought it was only one, but it comes with more than one expandable zipper that you can use. I only opened one. And this is what you can use for it to sit on. It has 2 handles. Here's one handle on the side, and it has one handle on the top. So I'm going to give you an idea of what I packed on one side. Just give me a second to adjust the camera. Like I said, I just stuffed a lot of clothes in here. Didn't really pack. Just to give you an idea, and it's quite a bit of clothes in there. A pair of shoes. It comes with an extra pouch rather. And here's the zipper. And I could see if you put too much stuff in here, it could rip. Come see the little holes. But other than that, like I said, and it still had a little bit more room, but just to give you an idea. So that is that. So far, I like it. I ordered two, the blue and this color, and they are very nice. I'll let you know how well it holds up. Thank you for watching.
Okay, this is my Wrangler suitcase I bought to go to Oregon. I have one, but this one, you will see, swivels very easily. And something really cool that I found while I was playing with it is there is a zipper here that actually expands the suitcase so that if you've got, you know, a little more than you should in there, like I would have, then you can expand it. Very easy to zip. Then the other zipper here, I just grabbed. Now it will open the suitcase. So I'm going to lay it down here. Oh, I didn't use the zipper here to finish it. You know how they have two zippers. So then you just open it up. See how cool this is. This is where, of course, you want to secure some of your items. Tag's still in there. So that's really, really cool. It's got little zipper area here where you can put things underneath here to protect them even more. And it unzips. So that's really cool. I mean, so many things that I wasn't aware of when I actually purchased it. I wasn't reading. And you've got this little section here. And, well, I have the matching bag. And what I love about this is that in the airport, I like to, if you check this as your carry-on, and this can go underneath the seat, just like this, and fit very nicely. And so if you do have a purse, sometimes I just stick my purse inside of here. But I like to take these and keep like things like medications and things safe, jewelry, and with me, so it can go underneath the airport seat. I got these inserts that I'll talk about in another video, but they're pretty cool. But here you go, lots of space and lots of ability to be protected, and you saw how the swivel was. So I highly recommend it and cannot wait to get it to the airport.
I bought this beautiful Wrangler suitcase for me and my son to go on a trip. It's a hard shell suitcase with 4 wheels that glide so easily. It's not hard to take around the airport at all. Me and my son took this suitcase on a trip to Texas just barely, and this was the only suitcase we needed for both of us. It fit all of our clothes and all of our toiletries in the 2 sides here and this little zipper pocket. Plus, when you close it, there's an extra zipper down here. This is the zipper to close it, but then this zipper opens up extra room. It opens up some extra room so that your suitcase can be a little bit taller, and it honestly fits everything you need. It fits perfectly in the carry-on overhead bins on the airplane. Since it comes with this extra bag with this strap on the back, when you're carrying your luggage through the airport, you can just set this on top and not have to worry about it. Plus, we all know we have to get our coffee or what have you at the airport, Diet Coke, who knows. And you can set that in there also while you're pushing your luggage around to your gate. It's perfect. 10 out of 10. I would recommend to anyone.
I bought this carry-on set for a recent trip. It's the perfect size for a carry-on.
it came with this bag, which is nice. It has a front pocket. Inside it's just open. There's no other pockets in here, but it's just enough for toiletries and documents, a wallet. What's cool about this is it has this beverage holder. So at the airport, we were able to put drinks, water bottle inside of there. You can see the USB port. I did not use that. I probably could have, because at the airport we didn't have to take everything out. We could leave it zipped up. But the battery pack sits behind the zippered part. It would have to go here, so you just, if you had to take it out, it would be a pain because you would have to take all of your clothes out of here and then zip this up. I do have this nice inside toiletry bag, the zippered part. It is expandable, although I did not need it to be because it holds quite a bit. And I was very happy. The wheels spun great at the airport, and it was very handy.
Show you what I'm talking about. Now, as they were putting it on the conveyor belt, the seam had started to bust here. And as you see, you can see the white stitching. And it came like that. All the way around, it was like that. I had to expand it so you could see it a little bit better. But anyway, the whole plastic piece, it's like rubber. And honestly, it's crap made. So yeah, it was a great suitcase. Loved it. Got to use it twice.
Okay, this is the bag that came with the two-piece set, and it's a tote, a little tote. Opens at the top here, normal. Has a handle at the top. The other handle that's supposed to be here is sewn on at the bottom. And then the pocket that's on the side, this Wrangler, is upside down, and the pocket unzips from the bottom. Backward.
So I purchased this 20-inch hard case carry-on piece of luggage from Amazon. One major plus is that it is lightweight, which is essential when you are traveling with multiple pieces of luggage. It also came with a personal bag and a cup holder for your coffee. And yeah. Use this for one flight, one trip only. And this is what happened to it.